Hello and welcome back, dear. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Pooled Campus Drive 2021 batch. And dear, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it so you will get regular update and you will get lots of opportunity for job, and even you can share those job link with your friend and colleagues and other student also. So they will also get benefited with it. So please do subscribe the channel and also click on bell icon so you will get all these updates whenever we post any video. Okay, dear. So now I am going to discuss about this job opportunity eligibility criteria, and at the end of video, I will talk how to apply for this job. Okay, dear. So this job is announced from Capgemini. It is one of the biggest company and very famous company in India. It has over 1,50,000 team members working in 13 different locations in the India. So it is big company only, and the registration date is October 15. So you have time. So please do share this video link with your friend and also some friend from other colleges and other freshers like senior or junior, share with them so they will also apply for it. And now you can see test assessment for registered student will be begin from second week of the October. So from 15 October onwards, it will start. Test will be started. And eligibility criteria, I would like to talk firstly. So candidates are graduating in 2021. So it is exclusive for 2021 batch student. And qualification is MCA or BE or BTech, open to all branch, both B and BTech. So like any branches you are from civil or mechanical or triple E, you can go for it. ME or MEMTech student must only from information technology, information science, computer science. For BTech, all STEAM people can apply. However, for ME and MTech, they have specified three branches. That three branches should be only, then only you can apply for that. However, MCA can apply for anyone. Okay, so MCA open for all MCA people. Okay, so MCA all branch people can apply here. Okay, and coming to other detail. So let me check. Scored 50% and above in diploma, graduation, aggregate of 7 semester, and MCA aggregate of 5th semester. So like if someone has not completed so far final semester, then that aggregation up to like 7th semester or 6th semester, like that you are in last semester. So your score must be 50%. If you have CGPA, then you convert that CGPA in percentage and check it out. Okay. Should be open to sign like service agreement bond. So there will be service agreement bond if you apply for it, and if you want to join, must be open to relocate. So you can relocation should be in your, and also like in any domain, as well as also like you should be ready to work in shift if required, like night shift, day shift, evening shift, morning shift. So based on the company requirement, you should be ready, then only you apply. Candidates shouldn't have more than 1 year gap in between academic milestone stages. So like after 10th, 12th or degree, or like graduation, or even after post graduation, like that, your gap should not be exceeding 1 year. Okay, so academic milestone stages are considered like 10th, 12th, and degree means like graduation and post graduation, like that. Candidates shouldn't have any gap within academic milestone. So within also you shouldn't like gap. You completed 2 year and 1 year gap, and even completed third and fourth year, like that. It must not be. Candidates shouldn't take more than 4 years to complete BE or BTech. So it is exclusively mentioned that with even you have any backlog, and if you are able to clear all those backlogs and get your degree in 4 years of your BTech or BE, then you are eligible. Candidates choosing degree after diploma shouldn't have any gap in between diploma and degree. So if you are from diploma and you are going for degree, then you should not have any gap. Candidates shouldn't have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. So if you have backlog and cleared, then no problem. Still, if you have backlog, then you are not eligible. Only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the assessment and selection process. So it is not sure that after applying you will get test link, because they will shortlist candidate, and based on that shortlist only they will send the link, test link. Okay, so you try to like present your strong resume. Okay, so you will be shortlisted. Entire selection process will be virtually mode. So you need not to go for location. You can do from your place. Candidates will be responsible for arranging the required infrastructure for test for online. So conducting, so you have to manage those. all things. And post successfully completion of hiring process, you will be groomed through like intensive 8 to 10 weeks training, so that is a central training program of Capgemini. So that is at 8 to 10th week like training will be happen after selection. Our training will be 2.0 model offer based class and unique learning experience. So all those details are there, and you will be trained in like latest technology like insight and data, digital technology, enterprise application solution, cloud infra service, web technology, testing and system technology. So like that domain you may get, and the allocated of like technology depends on business demand and your credentials. So like you can't select like which domain I have to go. However, like if you have better credential, and like if that is requirement, if there is requirement for that position, then definitely they will do some consideration and you will get that position. While we prepare through our training, coaching and mentoring, you will also learn a salary for entire duration that you are being trained. So during training also they are providing you snippet or the salary. So that time also you will earn salary. That is not free of cost. They will give you some salary. Date of registration is from October 5th to October 15th. So today is like October 9. So you have 1 week more, like 6 days more. So please do register on time, and do also share this link with your friend. Okay, dear. So, like test registration, all those detail and process you can see. All those details technical will be done first. That is pseudocode based. Then after multiple choice question, that is on English and communication test. And then after game based amplitude test, and followed by behavioral test, and finally technical and HR interview. So if you are only able to clear all these first three steps, then only you will be invited for technical and HR interview. Otherwise, you will not. However, fourth is the optional, because this company is just doing some assessment to know about you. So this is optional. If you are able to clear just this three steps, then definitely there will be HR and technical for you like that. Okay, so those things, I hope you are smart enough to go through all those details. And if you want more video on like this opportunity, then please do subscribe the channel and suggest this channel to your friend. So our channel name is itself Fresher Jobs Update with DCG. So shortly we will also provide like one website that is dcg.com shortly. So you will get all those details over website also. Okay, dear. So now I have started like registration process. So my net speed is a little slow. So I am taking a little time, no problem. Okay, so this is superset. Okay, and you can see your CTC is 3 lakh per annum. So this is a good CTC only. And job description you can check, all those already we have checked out. And I will go for apply now. And this job link will be mentioned in video description here. So don't worry about that. You can click there and you can just apply for it. Okay, gmail.com. Okay, so I am going for next. Okay, please click on register and apply. Okay, and you have to give name and all the details. So I will also go accordingly. Okay. Name, date of birth. I will give any random data because this is not originally I am applying. Okay, so I am just giving any random data just for sake to make you clear with the process how you can apply for that. Okay, so like that. Okay. Then after what it is telling, please select college credential and change it after clicking save and next. Okay. So you do select your correct college name only. Roll number you can give. Okay. So something roll number I am giving just for your reference. Primary email ID. So okay. Okay. What next we can do? Okay. This is done. College done. Roll done. The roll number already exists. Okay. So this already existing. So I am going for apply. If your roll number is not existing, that time you can log in and proceed. So I am going for like account already with this roll number exists. So I am going for that. So like if you have already registered earlier like me, then you do that login and use that. So let me try. Okay, so yes, it is there. The same thing I again got and all this process, okay, and apply for this profile. So I am going to apply, okay, and your like name you can select, okay. How will you come to know this event? You can give anything like college friend, anything you can give. No need to worry about that. Okay, gap in education, zero. Okay. Do you currently have any desktop or laptop which is in personal use? Yes. Okay. Please advise the existing laptop like 4 GB as 4 GB or 8 GB or 16 GB like that. So I have 12 GB like that you have to do. Do you have currently possessed any arrangement stable for past? Yes, I have. Okay. Do you have any face issue related to? Okay, currently I don't have. Do you face any issue with respect to? No, currently I don't. So you just select the correct option for you. Okay, here there is just click on go for agree and apply. Now you can see I have applied for it and I hope I will get mail for it. So let me check it. Okay, so any mail notification they are providing or not? Let me check. Yes, you will get one mail notification with name Superset application submitted Capgemini Excel Puller. Like that you will get. Okay, dear. So you will get mail also. So this is entire process I have shared with you. And if you have any doubt, then please do ask in the comment section. I will definitely help you out and guide you for the process. And guys, do share this video and like the video, subscribe the channel if you really like my content. All the best for examination. Happy learning and stay tuned with our channel.